Macy, where you going? Come here, baby. Come here, darling. Where you going, Pookie Bear? Oh, beautiful. Thank you for the nice shell. This is a nice one, honey. Thank you. I'm just going to put it over here. That was a good shell, sweetie. Yeah, you're a good shell person. Okay.